Audio for 120 bucks, a set of them? Is it worth it? Let's find out. I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com, and we're about to do an unboxing.
This way you can see it before you buy it.
Hey, I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com, representing B2 Audio and B2 Audio USA, talking about the PWR, Power Sports Water Resistant.
Awesome.
Okay, so PWRs came out a while back, but it was a Rage series, and they're kind of pricey and not for everybody, but recently came out with the RIOT. So keep in mind, RIOT, then Rage, then Rampage.
Level 1, Level 2, Level 3.
Okay, same thing in the woofers, same thing in the speakers. This is a RIOT 6-inch PWR. It is water resistant, UV coated, and guess what? You get a pair of them for 120 bucks. Very efficient, 100 watts RMS, and they'll play from 10 hertz to 10 kilohertz. And the mounting depth is like 3.23, under 3.5 inches.
I want it!
Now, let's open this bad boy up. And all the new packaging coming in is really getting nice. Get your sticker and a little manual. And then they're putting QR codes, which I don't see it on this one, but I think the next round will. Okay, 6.5 inch, 200 watt max, 100 watts RMS, 94 dB sensitivity, 4 ohms, and it is 110 hertz to 10 kilohertz. Now remember, all your B2 audio stuff is full range, not really mid-bass, mid-range, full range, but I think on the RIOTs, the 110 hertz, because I know the Rages go a lot lower, but we're talking about loudspeakers here. All right, we got some nice packing material, and then we got this. First thing I want you to notice is it's shiny, but you can see it real good with the lighting. That is
Shiny.
is UV coated, and it is water resistant. There's no way for water to get in there, so basically if this was mounted real good, wouldn't be worried about water hitting this, maybe on a motorcycle or in your doors, it doesn't matter. Not saying to go pressure wash it, but it is water resistant. Pretty efficient, 100 watts RMS.
Rudy's the best on the RMS.
Not too much to it, but I'll tell you what, I did hook these up earlier and this thing sounded incredible, and I'm gonna do the same thing again. Hey, before I go any further, do me a favor, hit that like button, leave a comment. You can always leave another one at the end of the video. That really helps out the metrics, and share this out for sure. Oh, and if you're new here and you wonder why I'm wearing all this, well, we have a Big Jeff chain giveaway. So you want to check that out when you hit that subscribe button. All right, back to this. So we have a 1.5 inch voice coil, and this is 4 ohms. And I like the shiny look, I really do. And if you need an inexpensive loudspeaker for a set, $119.95 shipped is really the way to go with this RIOT series. Now, B2 Audio has been around for a while. It got back in the USA just a year ago with tons of new SKUs, and it is not really that budget-minded part, but they do have products like this that are in a good price range of $119.95. So there's not much more to talk about it, except why don't we hook it up on the bench?
Let's hook it up.
Play some music. Maybe I'll do the walk back. You can hear how much output this has, and really less than 3.5 inches mounting depth. There's not many places this can't go. You have a, I'm gonna say it's plastic, dust cap coated with a double surround there. Let's get the Big Jeff up close and personal. You have that red spider that you see everywhere for B2, single tinsel lead. It is a basic loudspeaker. You got some B2 branding. Just an overall nice, clean looking speaker. All right, this is what we're gonna do. Movie magic. I'm gonna take it over to the bench. We're gonna hook it up and play some music through it. And that's why we say with the unboxings, you get to see it, hear it, and almost feel like you're touching it before you buy it. And I'll tell you what, this set, and I mean set, they're sold in pairs for $119.95, is definitely gonna blow your mind for even a novice or a beginner, or even a guy out there competing and just wants to scream. It can never be too loud. Yes, that's the hashtag. All right, let me go hook this up. We'll be right back. We're back. absolutely magic. So check it out. Got it real simple. We're using a Marks Digital, their new Brazilian line, MDS 800x4, which is based on 100 watts times 4. So we're right on point with this. And then we're just gonna play some music through it. And I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna be pretty impressed because this thing plays really up there. So you don't have tweeters, it's gonna sound some serious vocals. You add some tweeters, maybe some of the P4s or the T1s or the manuals from B2 Audio, it'll really kick in. But listen to this.
Jeff Audio. When you go for big sound, turn it up. Let's go. Roll it to the spot, let the speakers pound. Big Jeff Audio, yeah, we shake the whole town. Amps on blast, got that B2 heat. When the bass line drop, man, it knock you off your feet. Wires tight, power right, voltage never low. When we crank it past the limit, watch them decibels grow. We ain't playing with the volume, we just bring that thunder. Every ride sound massive, make the whole block wonder. Big sound, big bass, no cap, all facts. If you want that rumble, we supplying all that. From the roof is good, singers like a giddy of me. When you melody checks, you can deal that beat. Big sound, big bass, no cap, all facts. If you want that rumble, we supplying all that. From the roofers to the tweeters, got the giddy of me. When you ride with Big Jeff, you gon' feel that beat. Turn the volume up, let the trunk go boom. Water so hot, shake the whole damn room. Competition ready, we don't play no games. When you roll with Big Jeff, they gon' know your name. Decibels speaking, meters.
Okay, $120 set, that is screaming. And I'll tell you what, you can definitely hear between the Riot and the Rage series. The Rage, more mid-bass, goes up higher, but you're also double the price. This, not even entry level, but I mean, you can put that anywhere. I think it's a great sounding speaker. Hopefully you can hear that and you turned up the volume, but 120 bucks for a set. B2 is really trying to get in that game to fulfill all types of car audio enthusiasts, but real simple. There's not much to really do when you're talking about these loudspeakers, but beautiful boxing, good packaging, great sounding speaker, and $119 in stock right now. There is a RIOT 8PWR. There's the RIOT6P, which is not coded in the 8P. So there's plenty. So hit up bigjeffaudio.com, check this out. And for $119 for a set, you're not gonna go wrong. You're not gonna be unhappy. Man, really cool. You know, I really like how the B2 Audio stuff is designed. They do beautiful branding, beautiful boxing. They're really stepping things up. This right here, I think has so many applications, and being that this could even go in a motorcycle or a side-by-side or what, I think this is great. You don't have to worry about the water deteriorating the cone or the dust cap or anything else. So if you're gonna do that, make sure you seal it up with a gasket or some butyl surround so water doesn't get in there. This is not water resistant back here, but this right here I think would look really nice. Also check out B2 Audio, just started having some universal grills that go from 6-inch all the way up to 12-inch, enough to handle some excursion and also to cover, but it's not a mesh grill. If you're looking for that, we do sell other grills on our website, but I don't know, I just kind of like the look of that, and I think that looks just really cool with that B2 logo. All right, I already said, but hit that like button, share this out, and leave a comment. There's not much to really do except to let you see it, go over the specs, and let you hear it, and then we move on to the next one. So I'm Big Jeff from bigjeffaudio.com talking about the new PWR RIOT series. PWR, power sports, weather resistant. Yes, sir. $119.95. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks a lot.